Let's do perfume review. I have here the Eclat Lanvin d'Air Patch. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but ito binili ko bagong-bago lang sa Singapore, sa Mustafa Center, and napakasaya ko when I get there because it's like a Disneyland for me. Napakaraming murang perfume. So, isa talaga yun sa mga gusto kong puntahan when we went to Singapore because I learned nga na napakamura ng mga items doon, lalo na yung mga designer perfumes nila. At ito ang hindi ko pinaglagpas because this is very, very affordable. What I like about this perfume is, of course, napaka-mild niya, light, and even if you spray it a lot in the day, hindi overpowering yung smell niya because nga, light lang din siya, floral, fruity, and musky din siya at the same time. Pero segue tayo ng konti because I'm really distracted sa filter because it's really, really, kita nyo yan, parang mas malinis pa to sa budhi ko, no? Let's see yung original So, ito yung walang filter. So, okay naman, but iba talaga yung dating nung may filter. So, mag-filter tayo. Okay, Tam. Sige, balik tayo sa perfume. So going back to this perfume, if you are curious if anong scent nito, it has a light, fresh, and sweet scent and a sophisticated floral and fruity fragrance that is very perfect in the Philippines. No? So whether natin sa Pinas, and this is such a compliment magnet. So you will receive tons of compliment with this because hindi lang ikaw yung makaka-appreciate because this is very mild talaga. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong at hindi siya nakakahilong amuyin. The only downside of this perfume is that yung sa longevity and yung projection niya. As to longevity, this only lasts, in my case lang ha, 3 to 5 hours max. Okay. After that, I have to reapply para talagang maamoy ko na, oy, okay, pabango ko eklat. Ganon. Unlike the other perfumes that I have na talagang pang malakasan, pang matagalan talaga yung kanyang performance, no, yung longevity niya. So the projection, same siya with the Brit Sheer, no, ng Burberry Brit Sheer na hindi talaga na parang ilang metro maaamoy ka na or um, tawag mo nito, naaamoy ka ng kasama mo when malapit na malapit. Hindi naman sa malapit. Grabe naman yung malapit na malapit. Malapit lang, no? Hindi yung talagang malayo ka palang naaamoy ka na. No, no, not like that. So, yun lang yung downside na napansin ko. I don't know with you guys if sa longevity part, nagtatagal din ba to? But siguro sa body chemistry ko, hindi siya ganun katagal naglalast. Another thing that I love about this perfume is the bottle. Look, it's like a potion. Parang, o, diba? Ang bango-bango.